Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you are going to learn what processing at UPS facility means in 2026. Now, when you see this type of update from UPS, it simply means that your package has arrived at a UPS facility and is being processed. This includes scanning, sorting, and preparing for the next step. Now, at the facility, your package is basically scanned into the system, sorted based on the destination, and assigned to the next route or transport. This is how UPS moves packages efficiently. Now, after processing, your package will either move to another facility or go out for delivery if it is near your location. So, tracking will update to in transit or out for delivery. This particular status usually lasts for a few hours. In some cases, it may take longer due to the high volume or delays. Now, if your package stays in this particular status for more than a couple of days, it may be delayed but not necessarily lost. So, if this video helped you understand this particular status, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.